Which one is destroying your team's productivity? Is it pulling work or pushing work in a Kanban board? Are you correctly setting your board's work in progress limits? Let's walk through an example of how an ideal resource capacity aligns with a work in progress limits. Let's dive in.
A WIP limit means work in progress limit is a maximum number of items allowed in a workflow state column at one time. Let's see this with an example by setting up WIP limits. Start simple by defining the workflow. Generally, a software delivery workflow encompasses the following stages. Focus should always be on active work stages, which do not include backlog or done. Next is to assess resource availability as per their skill set. Assume there are 8 developers and 2 QA testers. A good general guideline is to set the work in progress limit at roughly the same number as the individuals performing that role. If the dev in progress stage reaches its capacity limit, developers should prioritize assisting with tasks in the review stage rather than pulling new items from the backlog. In the review stage, review is done by developers themselves. Too many work items here causes pileups. The decision to clear items will be based on a combination of their overall cycle time and their current aging in the present status. For this scenario, we recommend limiting the items in this review state to a maximum of 3 or 4 work items. Our team's QA capacity is currently 2 testers. Each QA can realistically handle 1-2 items at once. When the number of QA testing tasks reaches 3, developers are required to pause the initiation of new projects and instead prioritize assisting the QA team. This assistance involves resolving existing bugs and clarifying requirements to help unblock the QA process. Next stage, ready for release. Work is completed and is currently in a holding pattern awaiting deployment or final sign-off. It is a buffer state, not active work. Next is pull versus push. Using a Kanban pull system with WIP limits, work flows smoothly as teams pull tasks only into available capacity, boosting focus, reducing bottlenecks, and ensuring a steady delivery of completed work. In our scenario, you can see that QA has capacity, so they pull the next item. The next topic is the push feature. It's important to remember that Kanban doesn't exclusively use pull systems. Push happens at the commitment point, where work moves from a waiting state backlog into active work to do, driven by business needs, signaling a definite start to development. Push is also enforced for urgent work items, which are pushed into the system for emergency work, can bypass work in progress WIP limits, and their status and presence must remain transparent. Follow the link in the description or comments for more in-depth videos.